Alright YouTubers, this is part 2 of my Ultimate Boot CD video. In the first video I showed you how to create a USB bootable device. If you did make the USB device, you're going to see something prior to this blue screen. You're going to see two choices: boot to the hard drive or boot from the USB. Obviously you pick the USB and then you'll make it to here. If you did the DVD, if you made a DVD from the ISO download, you'll go right to this one. And you hit the down arrow to offline NT password and registry editor like I am now. Hit enter. And this should load to a point where you'll be able to pick the Windows partition that you need. In this case I have two. You'll see candidate Windows partition found, 1 and 2. 1 says boot next to it. Well, typically I look at the megabytes. In this case I'm going to pick the one with the largest megabytes. In this case is 25,498 megabytes. So I'm going to pick 2 and I'm going to hit enter. Yours might be 1. Let me just say, if you pick the wrong one the first time, just restart and pick the new one. You'll know when you pick the wrong one, because in this case I'm going to hit 2. Now I'm to the Windows System 32 and config. It wants me to put something in here. Well, we're not going to put anything in here. You just hit enter. If you pick the right partition, you will get this list of choices where you can pick the password reset, which is the SAM system security. If you're not getting this list, then you pick the wrong number. Just restart the computer, do it all over again, and pick the other number until you finally get this password reset choice. When you do, hit 1, then hit enter. The next one, you're going to edit. You want to edit user data and password, so you're going to put 1, hit enter. Now you're given a list of users. Pick the user that you want to change the password for, and it's case sensitive, so make sure you spell it exactly the way you see it. If it's capitalized, use a capital letter. Then hit enter. What do I want to do with it? I want to clear. I want to blank the user password, so I'm going to clear it. So I'm going to choose 1 and I'm going to hit enter. If you want to clear all of them, you can go back through and you can do the same thing to every single one of them. But I know which one I want to clear, so I picked ed. Now I'm going to exit, so I have to put an exclamation mark because it says select exclamation to quit. So type in exclamation, hit enter. Now you're going to type Q for quit. Now you're going to be asked to write the file back. Do you want to do it? You're going to type Y for yes and hit enter. And that's it. From this point, you're going to be able to hit Control-Alt-Delete and you're going to be able to restart the computer. What I'm going to do is end the video here because I know it'll be clear. Now, when you reboot, some of you may just go right into Windows. Others may not go right into Windows, and you'll come to the screen where it'll be asking you for a password. Don't put a password in, just hit enter. Choose the person that you want to go to. So if you have multiple users, you're going to come to the login screen. Pick the user that you want. If it doesn't go right into Windows, just hit enter. Don't put anything in it. And that should get you past the person's password or your password or whoever's you're trying to get past. Just remember, use this for educational purposes and don't be doing bad things. Alright, well, I hope this was helpful to some of you, and please leave a comment below. Thank you.